to the Nuga Sunshine. Today I'm going to the mountains and I'm gonna hike. So this is my first time ever going hiking, so I'm really excited. So let's go to the road. So now we're in the car and we're getting started to hit the road. So I think we're getting close because I see the mountains over there and I think we're getting pretty close, so let's see. Whoa, buffaloes! That's, well, they're just, I think they're eating and resting out here. And it has a lot of greenery. Hi, buffaloes! Hi, buffaloes!
I think they are called.
Hey guys, I see a cool bridge. I think we should go across it. Maybe there's something on it. Let's go. Guys, it's like I'm running in slow motion. I can't run. It's hard to run. And this hill's not that steep, but a little steep. Yeah!
Oh boy, this is so much of hiking, and it's straight up to the mountain.
Floor is lava. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, there's lots of bushes around here and lots of flies that I don't like at all.
Oh yeah,
And it's creepy, right?
yeah, it's creepy, steepy, right?
There's
It's
no-
so steep from there.
Yeah, it's steep.
It's so much, you know. We have to go so much up there.
It's pretty steep, like my dad said.
Yeah, I'm proud of you, honey. You're making it. I'm proud of you. Don't run. I think you're gonna lose all your strength.
Run around the world in hundreds of
Floor is lava. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You see?
I think that's the end. But let's go up there and figure out if it's the end or not. So let's
Yeah.
hike.
Let's go and figure it out.
Guys, there are some wild plants. That's like, that flower is not like an ordinary flower. It's like a spiky one, right?
Do you know that? Are you just making up?
I'm sitting on my dad's back because we're going to travel really far. So that's pretty far. So actually, we don't want to stop. We don't want to give up. And, yeah.
Let's do it.
I don't know if my mom is that kind. Guys, look how like up high we are. So like it's so high, but we're not gonna make it. So we're just gonna go to a point.
No, we gotta try.
What?
Yeah, see, that's the point over there. I think that's the end. Let's make it over there, okay? Yeah, I think that's the end. We're almost there. Let's go, hit it. Oh
Guys,
boy.
we're really close to hit. No, not yet. Same point. We're close.
We're close, real close. And honey, Do you want to do the hiking again? I don't think you want to. I know it's hard, but you know,
Did you burn a lot
yeah,
of
that's how you become
calories?
strong, right?
So
That-
guys, this is not the end point. It goes all the way there, so I don't think we can make it. It's pretty far, and then getting down is gonna be really hard. So we're not.
Yeah, I think, guys, it's so far up there, over there, and it's other long way to go, and
Yeah, it just feels like we're halfway.
yeah, no, it's not halfway. It's almost, you know, 80% of the way.
Yeah.
So it's so steep down there, and see how much far we are. Yeah, we tried 80% of the way, and we have 20% more. But Tanvika wants to try it for the next time, and now she wanna take a break,
And go home.
and she wanna take a break now, and
Go
she wanna
home
do it again.
someday, okay?
Yeah.
Guys, we're starting to go down, and probably it's a long way, but we're going to do it much faster than we went up. So let's go down.
Oh yeah, the view is good. Yeah. Heading down.
You think we can make it down?
Of course, we need to make it down,
We
right? Of course we
So
can.
guys, it took 40 minutes for us to go all the way to the top. So now we're going to see how many minutes it's going to take to get down.
They're just flights, I think.
Here, so that's really cool. So let's just hike a little more. Come on, you have a friend?
I do. Do you?
To run down. I think it's gonna be pretty quick. See the game? Took us 20 minutes to get down. That's not pretty.
It's good.
Not long. That long. So I wasn't expecting that. So let's go.
That way. Look at it.
I wonder.
That's another.
So we're done with the hiking, and we ate a little picnic at the end, and now we're gonna go home. So yeah, I had a lot of fun going up there. Next time I'm gonna try to finish it. So yeah, I'm gonna go home. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.